In this video, we'll learn about bag of words, which is widely used as a simple text encoding approach in the field of natural language processing, and try implementing it through coding. Natural language processing, which is called NLP for short, is an artificial intelligence technology that involves extracting useful information from text data and understanding human language. One of the most crucial aspects of NLP is figuring out how to transform the text used by humans into a form that computers can comprehend and process. In order for computers to recognize text, it needs to be converted into numerical values. This process is known as text encoding. The bag of words approach is one of these text encoding techniques and is widely used in natural language processing for handling text data. Let's delve into a more detailed explanation of the bag of words approach. To do this, let's imagine there is a bag where all the words from a text are input. When we take words out of this bag, we can count how many times each word appears in the text. Let's look at a sentence as an example. She is a student, and he is not a student. Breaking down this sentence, we have the words, she is a student and he not. Among these words, is a student, each appear twice. This method focuses on counting how many times each word appears in the document, regardless of context or word order. The bag of words approach is a foundational technique used in various NLP tasks, such as sentiment analysis, text classification, and clustering analysis. Let's take a closer look at the bag of words approach. Firstly, we break down the sentence into individual words and create a vocabulary list by removing duplicates. In the sentence, she is a student and he is not a student, the vocabulary list consists of she is a student and he not. Next, we assign an index or order to each word and represent them in a vector form where the elements correspond to the frequency of each word's occurrence. For instance, by assigning numbers in this order of appearance, we can represent the sentence in vector form as follows: 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, indicating the number of occurrences for each word in the order they appear. In this way, the bag of words approach focuses solely on the presence or absence of words, disregarding word order, grammar, and context. Each word is also treated independently. Therefore, when encoding text using the bag of words method, contextual meaning is disregarded, and nuances, word associations, or semantic relationships are not captured. Additionally, as the number and size of sentences increases, the vocabulary list becomes larger, resulting in high-dimensional vectors that impose computational and memory inefficiencies. Hence, to overcome the limitations of the bag of words approach and enhance the performance of natural language processing tasks, more advanced models and techniques have been developed. Despite its limitations, the bag of words approach is valued for its simplicity and effectiveness in encoding text based on word frequency. Now, let's proceed to implement the bag of words approach in code. You can find this Jupyter Notebook file on GitHub, so feel free to download it and run it directly. Firstly, let's store the sentence, she is a student and he is not a student, in a variable called document. Then, using the split command, we can separate the sentence into words. She is a student and he is not a student. Next, we'll remove duplicate words and assign indices. Here we obtain the vocabulary list, she is a student and he not. Based on the frequency of each word's occurrence, we can represent the sentence in a vector form, like so: 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. In conclusion, the document, she is a student and he is not a student, is transformed into this vector form, allowing the computer to recognize it.